Hello and welcome to Virtual School Assembly Teacher Professional Development Summit 2020. If you're here, it's probably because you're either an administrator, a superintendent, a principal, or another kind of administrator, or you're a teacher. And your last year has been kind of crazy, I know, because I'm a school teacher. And with COVID, we knew that there would be a need for professional development in the ways that COVID has affected us. So with virtual learning, with doing hybrid models, remote learning, and things like that. And so we put together this summit for you so that you could learn messages from other superintendents, from principals, from educational speakers throughout the world. And we recorded some of the best that there are, sharing short messages with you on lessons they learned through COVID or strategies they have moving forward. And things that you might implement in your class. Now, some of these are very COVID specific messages, other are general teaching professional development topics. But whatever the case, we've arranged to have 12 speakers speak for this session of teacher professional development. And then 5 speakers we're going to do some replays from the Virtual School Assembly Season 1. So those were messages given to students and teachers, but we're replaying them here because they're so relevant to teacher professional development. So we're glad that you're here at the summit. There's 2 ways that you can watch these videos. One is to subscribe to the YouTube channel, Virtual School Assembly, and just hit that subscribe button. And then you can just watch the videos as they're uploaded. And there will be, as I mentioned, 12 new videos that will go over the next couple days. So that is option number 1. Option number 2 is the better option, and that is to go to virtualschooلاssembly.com/PD. Now, if you go to that web page, it will have information about each of the speakers. It will have discussion questions that you can use as you watch the video. So if you watch it with your school or with your district, there will be questions that you can discuss either face-to-face or virtually. And so these are great videos to talk about topics relevant to teachers and administrators right now, but we've also set up questions for you to discuss. In some cases, there's other resources that you can download and links that you can follow to get more information. So that is the webpage. Again, the address is virtualschooلاssembly.com/PD. Whatever the case, I hope that this is a resource that is super helpful to you. As a teacher, I know that education budgets are really tight right now, and I'm not getting hired to do a professional development right now because no one is hiring, which is cool because that gave me the opportunity then to work this summer to create this resource for you guys, and it's free. So this resource will be evergreen. We'll leave it up on the website for forever. These are incredible messages. I'm so grateful for our speakers who have come on and shared time teaching all of us about things that we can be doing right now. So enjoy the summit. If you have any feedback on it, you can email me at tyler@tylerchristiansen.com. I'd love to hear your thoughts and impressions about this summit, and we'll see if we'll keep it going in the future. Thanks for being here. I hope you find a ton of value from it. Bye-bye.